Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how to join as an independent stylist and reach your dashboard.
We'll start on registration with the stylist role, then create your account and begin onboarding. Enter your work location and choose the independent setup. You're building a profile without joining a salon. Add your professional profile details so clients understand your experience and what you offer. Confirm your availability and create your first service so clients have something to book. Submit onboarding and you land on your stylist dashboard, fully set up to take bookings.
You've got a working dashboard and bookable profile as a solo stylist. That's the freedom of Caloti.